Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a copper necklace. First, gather your materials. You will need about 24 inches of 18-gauge copper wire, a focal bead or pendant, and basic jewelry tools. These include wire cutters, round nose pliers, and flat nose pliers. Ensure your work area is clean and well lit for precision. Having everything ready makes the crafting process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's create the pendant loop. Take a 6-inch segment of your 18-gauge copper wire. Using your round nose pliers, form a small, neat loop at one end. This loop will secure your bead or pendant. Carefully thread your chosen focal piece onto the wire, ensuring it sits snugly against the loop you just formed. This is the foundation of your necklace design. Next, we will shape the main necklace base. Cut a 16-inch piece of the 18-gauge copper wire. Using your round nose pliers, create a small, secure loop at each end of this longer wire. These loops will be used to attach the clasp later. Now, carefully attach your pendant loop to the center of this main chain, ensuring it hangs freely and beautifully. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your copper necklace. Attach your chosen clasp to one of the end loops you created on the main chain. On the opposite end, secure a jump ring. This allows the clasp to connect, completing your necklace. Gently polish your new creation with a soft cloth to enhance its shine. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.